Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have three different job updates for today. So the first company, it is IBM, and the second one is Cognizant, and the third one is Propel. So we shall quickly see the job details and the eligibility criteria for all of these three companies. So the first company, that is IBM of Campus, is hiring, and the role they are hiring, it is for full stack developer, and the salary of the CTC, so 7 to 11 lakhs per annum, and the work location is Bangalore, and the experience needed for this particular job role, it is minimum 2+ years of experience, so they are eligible to apply. So then coming to the required skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role. So as mentioned, 2+ years of experience is needed, and then coming to the main skills which are needed to apply for this particular role. So you need to have knowledge on Python programming and the front-end development using JavaScript framework and the Node.js, and you need to have knowledge on microservices architecture and design, and the version control tool like Git is needed. So these are the main skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role. And some of the preferred skills, like you need to have knowledge on databases, SQL as well as NoSQL database, and knowledge of CI or CD tools like Jenkins and Travis, and you need to have experience with various cloud platforms like IBM Cloud, AWS as well as Azure, and knowledge of testing tools. So these are the complete tech stack which are needed to apply for this particular job role. So to apply, you can just click on apply now. So you can see this is the simple application form. So you need to enter your first name, your last name, then your primary email address, and you need to upload the updated resume, and the maximum size, it should be of 2 MB, and then experience level. So you need to mention your experience and the areas of interest like which you are good in, and then some of the communities of interest, you can mention none if you don't have, and then your country, and you can just agree this term, and if you want to join to the IBM community, you can join, or else you can just mention no thanks, and you can just continue to apply. So this is the application form for IBM. So this was all about the first company, that is IBM, and the second one is Cognizant, and the role they are hiring, it is for software engineer, and the salary of the CTC, so 5 to 7 lakhs per annum, and the work location is Bangalore, and experience, so they are hiring for freshers. So coming to the main skills which are needed, so you need to have React.js and knowledge like engineering and design skills. So the main tech stack which they have mentioned is you need to have knowledge on JavaScript and the framework React.js, and it is good to have some of the additional skills like AWS, SQL, Spring Boot, Java, then MySQL. So these are the additional skills. So the main skill is that you need to have knowledge on JavaScript as well as React.js. So to apply, you can just click on apply now. So here you need to agree this term, so click on proceed, and you will be navigated to the application form. So first you need to upload your updated resume, and you need to fill your personal information, your first name, last name, and then email address, contact number as well as PAN number, and like previously employed by Cognizant, you can mention no, and if you have the employee ID, you can add that, and the years of experience and the skill sets. Then after that you can navigate to the next page, wherein you need to add your education details, experience details, everything, and if you have any of the certifications, you can add that, and you can submit the application form. So this was all about the second company, that is Cognizant, and the third one, it is Propel of Campus is hiring, and the role they are hiring, it is for quality engineer, and the salary of the CTC, so 6 to 9 lakhs per annum, and the experience needed, so 0 to 2 years of experience is needed to apply, and the work location is Chennai. So then coming to the different job responsibilities, so like test strategy and planning, so you'll be involved in test development and execution, then collaboration with various teams, then documentation as well as reporting. So these are the different job responsibilities. Then coming to the skills which are needed, so as mentioned 0 to 2 years of experience is needed, and as they're hiring for testing, that is you need to have knowledge on manual testing, including like black box testing, white box as well as gray box testing, and you need to have knowledge on various automation testing tools such as Selenium, JUnit as well as TestNG, and familiarity with the tracking tools like Azure DevOps as well as Jira, and you need to have knowledge on SDLC, that is software development lifecycle, and various agile methodologies. So these are the main skills which are needed, and if you have done any of the certifications related to testing, it can be manual or automation, so you can add that. So to apply, you can just click on I'm interested, and you can see this is the application form. So you can apply manually by uploading your updated resume, or you can apply easily. So for this you need to create your account with Propel, then you can just log in and you can apply immediately, or you can apply with Indeed if you already have the account with Indeed, or you can just go for the third option, upload your updated resume, and you can fill your basic information, your first name, last name, your contact details, email address, and the highest qualification and the college name, and you need to mention the total years of experience and the notice period and the technical skill sets. So do mention whatever skills they have mentioned, like testing skills, and if you have any other queries you can just mention it in few words, and you can just upload the resume, add the captcha, and you can submit the application form. So this is the application form for the Propel. So this was all about the third company, that is Propel. So the link for all of these three companies, so it will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for this job roles accordingly. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.